What's up, Panther fam? It's Derek McCulture, the founder and CEO of Panther Magazine. Thanks for checking out the Panther Magazine YouTube channel. So as you've seen from the beginning of the video, there is a small leak coming from my gas tank. I knew about this leak last summer at Ford Nationals. All my friends was telling me my car smelled like gas, and I wasn't sure why. And pretty much almost a year later, the hole has gotten a little bit bigger. It's not crazy, but it is leaking. So I brought my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis to my friend Andrew, who you may have seen on the Panther Magazine YouTube channel. He helps me work on the car a lot, and we looked at it, and he said the hole is not that big. Repairing the gas tank and replacing it is fairly easy. I haven't done it before, so I'll be learning when me and him actually do it. So I went on partsgeek.com. I know a lot of people prefer like Rock Auto. Parts Geek had it a little bit cheaper than the other sites. I got it for like $228, which isn't bad. I probably won't have to replace it again for a very long time. And that's one of the repairs that I'll be doing on my Grand Marquis. As you can see, I got the gas tank there. It's not heavy, it's pretty light, I can pick it up. I just hosted a meet in Providence, Rhode Island. You might have seen the content here on the channel. My friend Jordan, who drives a Crown Vic as well, she also has a hole in her gas tank and it's been there for a couple of years now. So I mean, you can still drive these cars for a significantly long time with a gas tank leak and not have an issue. But it is good to just take care of it as fast as you can. Believe it or not, I don't lose a lot of gas. Even when the Panther is sitting outside of my office for a couple of days, even just for one day, I don't lose a lot of gas. It probably looks like there's a lot of gas leaking. It's gonna look like that. It's just sitting there, but it's really not a lot. But it's still leaking, so that's not cool. Andrew's been having some stuff going on, so we kind of delayed on repairing my Merc. Big thank you to Andrew, as always, for willing to help me repair the Panther. He loves these cars just as much as I do. So next weekend we'll be repairing the gas tank and swapping it out for a brand new one. I haven't seen Andrew since he let me use his Town Car L, which is also a video here on the YouTube channel, so it'll be good to catch up with him and get this thing fixed. As far as other modifications that are gonna happen to this car, my friend Charlie, who I hosted a Panthers for a Cure Panther meet for the breast cancer awareness last month, he's gonna help me paint my wheels. I was thinking gold or even white, but I think I'm gonna go chrome. I think chrome will look really good. As you can see right now, I have 2010 Mustang GT wheels and they're black. They were plasti dipped and it's starting to chip a little bit and it's driving me a little bit crazy. As you can see, it's really worse. I forget on which wheel it is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go chrome wheels, chrome paint on the wheels, excuse me. And I think it's gonna make the car look really cool. And lastly, I have the Flowmaster 40 series muffler that I'm gonna throw on the Grand Marquis. After we get the gas tank on, it's gonna be smarter to put the gas tank on first before doing the muffler. It's kind of what Andrew suggested. So that's gonna be really cool. I don't mind the stock Grand Marquis sound. I got the stock speakers on blast 24/7, but I do miss having a little bit of rumble underneath the car. So the Flowmaster should be really cool, and I think we're gonna do a secondary cat delete as well, so the car should sound really good. So that's just a little update on my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. I like to make these every once in a while, especially before I repair something. Gas tank and then the Flowmaster, hopefully the same day. That'll be awesome. But if I have to wait, I have to wait. But I do have it, so it's there. It may be in 26. I'll hit up my friends at Mo's Speed Shop and get this car tuned, and that should be a lot of fun as well. My friend Caleb Kennedy just got his Crown Vic tuned, and it makes a big difference having a tune on the car. So I can only imagine with the Flowmaster and the tune, the car would perform a lot better. I did some research, and the Flowmaster 40 series will give the car about 10 to 15 more horsepower. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but that'll be really cool, and the tune obviously will give it a significant amount of horsepower, so those two modifications will be great. That's pretty much tonight's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.